Hi guys, Alfa Romeo Giulia. This is a 17 blade, very early one, 2 liter Veloce. In the case you have to replace your coolant return pipe, which is that pipe which goes into the reservoir bottle, which is located here, which is attached with just 2 bolts, one here, one there. So if you go crazy, because I went crazy, so the very early one, unfortunately, if you have to replace this pipe, they will sell you the full water manifold, which is going to be modified. Now, there's something which, that bolt that you will see just right there, you can see the thread but not the bolt. So the bolt is hidden behind the heat shield. The heat shield is a bit tricky to remove, so you need to disconnect the heater matrix pipe, those 2 nuts pipe, which you have to take the pipe off anyway. And there's a bolt down here on that bracket on there, which you have to change it, to take it off, otherwise the pipe won't move. That, and the heat shield itself is held by a few bolts, which is actually fitted that way over the turbo. So there's one there, one here, 2 at the top, one at the top, one in the corner there, and one further down right at the bottom, which is right there. So I hope that will help. The part will be supplied with no gasket, so thanks to Stellantis in that case, you need to buy 10 gaskets for this side and 5 of this. So if in the case somebody needs a gasket, I do have a gasket, and also the collar of the new pipe, which will never get supplied with it. I do have, because I had to buy a bulk of them. So got 10 of those and 5 of those. So that's unfortunately the new setup. So that's the old pipe, which has got a brass insert. This is obsolete, this pipe is no longer available, so we need to get a modified pipe, and you have to replace this water manifold. Okay doke. So that's new part in place. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, socket. It will be supplied without this turret for the engine cover, so you need to swap it over. It's 12mm head, and that's the bolt I was talking about, which when I saw it I was starting to go mental, and I thought, what does the Italian engineer have done to it? So anyway, bits is on. I'll show you the rest when it's all back together. That's what it looks like, the turbo, the catalytic converter area. I had to release that pipe, which is the feed through the engine from the reservoir bottle, so that goes down through, which is located right here under here. So it comes here and it goes along here, and it's got a bolt against the chassis leg on this corner, which hold it in place. That's pretty much it. I'll see you shortly on just the next step. So for that aluminium pipe which goes in the back of this coolant manifold, you got a bolt, which is, I'm not sure if you will see the head poking off. Can I see if you can see that? It's there. That's the head of the bolt, which is poking out, and it's basically, you will see it there, just right there. So that bolt there, there's another bolt here, which is that one, and the 2 nuts on the side of this pipe, which is one there, one here, and the one underneath. And that's it pretty much. It's a bit of a nightmare, but it's doable. So, job done. Up and running, up to temperature. So this is the convection net, and water has to go in. And the thing, that's the old part came off of the car. So if you have that style of pipe, unfortunately it's no longer available. Fiat will not sell it to you. They did modify it, so you need to buy the pipe, the modified pipe, and the modified water manifold. If you ever need those gasket 1 and 2, I do have 4 of those left and 9 of them left, and also these clips here, I have 9 of them, so I may put some selling, I'll put up some kits on eBay or something. If yeah, somebody ever need them, just give us a shout. Okay, ciao ciao. So Andy, so see the banjo here, I'll show you what it's leaking. You're gonna be surprised. Go for it.